Hi everyone, I'm Lauren. I have ADHD and this is I Know What I'm Doing. This is the channel where I indulge my urge to start new hobbies with little to no prior knowledge and the faith that I'll figure it out as I go. I'm not always safe, please don't do as I do. Today I'm delving deeper behind the faceplate of a vintage sewing machine to clean it up and get it working. If you want to see me clean up her cabinet first, check out those videos here. You can also check out part 1 of this project here. If you enjoy watching this, please subscribe, check the description for links to my Ko-fi and Patreon accounts. New hobbies are expensive, so are good microphones and cameras, so your donations are greatly appreciated. I decided to break out a more modern screwdriver to see if it had any better luck with these screws. It took a little bit, but here we are, now to give this little thing some brushy brush. Once again, I'm not trying to get these things perfect, I'm just removing gunk and hopefully preventing further deterioration. This piece is the thread cutter. I've never used one like this, so we'll see if I like it or if I'll be using thread snips with this machine. Next, let's clean the shaft. You can see both ends are a bit weathered, but the part that was inside the machine is nice and shiny. Oh, there's also this little ring, which I'll have to be very careful not to lose. Of course, the end that adjusts the presser foot tension is just disgusting. For the spring, I'm going to start with the brush on the outside and then use a Q-tip inside. Yum! And the hole this all sits in? Absolutely gross. I'm going to hit this with all my used Q-tips before I subject a new one to this because... ugh. The new one only came out a little gray, so that'll do. Next we have this thing, which is part of the thread path, and I don't know the specific name for it. Since that shaft goes through here too, I'm guessing that hole is gonna be gross. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Now that there's no tension on here, this screw is more than willing to come loose. Another screw for scrubbing. I am making sure to keep the screws with their respective parts and laying things out in the order in which I removed them. This is the lever that lifts the presser foot up and down, so of course it sees a lot of use. This is another piece that I'm not sure of the proper name for, but it will also be the last piece I clean up this week. I'll see you Friday when I finish up this part of the innards and take a look at the bobbin housing. If you have a hobby you think I should try, drop it in the comments along with any useful bits of advice or thoughts on the video. Love you!